Do you keep forgetting new English words you have learned? Today I will show you how to remember vocabulary forever using three profound words: cherish, appealing, and endeavor. To remember vocabulary forever. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you keep forgetting new English words you have learned? Today I will show you how to remember vocabulary forever using three profound words: cherish, appealing, and endeavor, and how to use them naturally in your sentences, in your daily life. So let's begin. Connect words to emotions. So the best way to remember vocabulary is to connect the word with feelings, pictures, or real situations. Let's try it with our first word. So the first word is cherish, which means to love or value something deeply. Let's see with an example. I will always cherish the time we spent together. Connect this feeling, connect with that emotion which you have spent together with your friend, a close friend, and say it aloud. It will make a deep connection in your memory and you will never forget this word. Say it again. I will always cherish the time we spent together. I will always cherish the time we spent together. Yes, now you will not going to forget this word. Use it in different sentences. You can connect it with your parents' memories also. Like, I truly cherish my childhood. Now think of your parents, your best friend, and your special moments and make a deep connection and say it aloud. I truly cherish my childhood. And then you will never forget this word. You have to do it with every new vocabulary word. When you are having a new word, you are reading it, and you are not able to remember it. So what you have to do, you have to connect that word with deep emotional connection and make a connection with that word. The second word is appealing, which means something which is very interesting, pleasing, or attractive to you. Very attractive. It appeals you for how beautiful it is. So now again you have to do the same thing as you have done with the cherries. You have to make a connection of appealing with few sentences. So let's see with an example. The food was so appealing. You can go in more detail, like the decoration in the food, the spices, the way it was decorated was so appealing. So you have to connect it with food, clothes, or anything. You can say, "Hey, last night I had in a party and the dress the bride was wearing was so appealing." You can say, her voice is so appealing. You can use it with anything. You can use with anything which feels you so attractive. And you can make a deep connection with this word, and then you will not forget the word. And for the whole day you can use it, anything which you find attractive or interesting, you say is so appealing, and then you will not forget to use it. A third word is endeavor, which means a serious effort or attempt to do something. Let's see with an example. Learning English is not an easy task, but I will continue my endeavor. Qualifying that exam is not an easy thing, but I will fulfill my endeavor. Now, what is the memory trick? Think of your biggest dream, like studying abroad, qualifying any competitive exam, getting a job, or public speaking, anything, and connect it with the endeavor. You have to make an emotional connection with the word and your emotion, with the picture, with the feeling. Then you will not get to forget that word. Let's recap the three tricks to never forget your vocabulary. Number one, emotion. Feel the word, use it with real feeling. Number two, repetition. Use at least 3 times in a day. Real life use, speak the word out loud in sentences that matters to you. For example, I cherish my journey of learning English. This video must be appealing to someone who loves learning. I will continue my endeavor to speak fluent English. See what I did there? I use all the three sentences. If you find these words and tricks helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to cherish your effort. Learn appealing content and endeavor your everyday with improvement, as well as make a sentence with using all these three words. I would love to read your sentences, as well as subscribe for more such vocabulary which sticks. Thank you for watching.